Morgan, and I wanted to show you this linen bag that I made today, and it is quite large. I made it basically quite large because I wanted it to hold sheets. Here I'm trying to fit like all of these in there because I'm switching out my sheets for like cold weather ones because it's quite chilly here. It's post-Halloween now. And I ended up not having the right type of like storage bag that I wanted for these because I want to store them under my bed, and I wanted something that would collect the dust to keep it off of the sheets but still be quite airy and breathable. So I used I just used linen fabric to store my linens in. And for this I'll show you inside out. Basically I did I cut out like a big giant rectangle. I sewed up, I think I started by sewing up the side seams, then I boxed the corners, and then after that I pinned this top area down and then sewed a couple eyelets before I had to figure out the placement, but I sewed eyelets here and here and here and here, so 4 total with linen thread, just because I had that in like a thicker buttonhole type weight. But this has like drawstrings on the inside, so that way I can keep it closed, and that way since it's on the inside it'll be a little bit hidden. And here I'm going to go ahead and just like put this over these. Okay, and this fits quite well. I am really glad that I made this so oversized, just because it's like, okay, this actually does fit the linens very, very well. And this could almost work for like a laundry hamper of some sort. Oh my gosh, what did I do here? Like it felt, I accidentally like undid the tie here. This is how I want this to go. And then I tied the ends of the ribbon like haphazardly into bows. Technically I also, oh my gosh, one thing I forgot to mention is I did finish these on the machine, but I switched my needle plate to like one that had a very, very tiny hole, because it kept like the edges of the ribbon kept like getting sucked into it, so I had to switch to a really small hole for my needle plate. I can't remember what the specific name of the measurement or whatever is, but I know that was the trick that I used for that. And then here it is, just it feels almost like a Santa Claus sack. But I thought that this would be nice for just storing my linens for the rest of the year, and it could also work as a laundry hamper if I wanted. Oh, and this took about approximately 4-ish hours or so, I think a little over 4 hours to do. And I was listening to, what's the word? It's by Timcast Music. It's Genocide Losing My Mind. It's it just came out and it is so catchy. Also, it has Ian Crossland. I don't quite get, I'm not entirely sure if I understand the music video, but it does have Ian Crossland in it, and he's just the cutest little bewildered creature, and I love him. But yeah, so I had a great time listening to that while I sewed. So yeah, I hope that you have a great day and that this inspires you both to clean and to try out new and creative projects, and to try and come up with solutions yourself for problems that you may be facing. Have a great day.